Hey guys, welcome back to Joe's Garage. Today we're going to be talking about a product called Rags to Riches, designed to help you clean your microfiber towels, your drying towels, your microfiber washing mitts and things of that nature without causing any residue from regular detergents, softeners or fabric softeners, things of that nature. We put in, because it's a small load, I put in 1 ounce. We're going to wash it in the machine. We're going to see how that goes. And then I'll let you know what I think. This way your car stays clean, is clean, and doesn't have residue from fabric softeners, laundry detergents, things of that nature. Joe's Garage. All right, so we're done with the load. Let's see how this came out. So here's one of the mitts that I use. You put your hand in here to wash the car after it's been foamed and rinsed properly. Here's another one. This is a big, what this is called, max size, whatever pad. Works really well. But let's take a look at one of these microfiber rags. All right, so there is still, I guess what we would call schmutz. There's still a little soiling, but this should have all of its microfiber properties because the way that this detergent works, it supposedly like brings the fibers back to their original positioning so that you can grab more dirt, and it keeps it exceptionally soft and somewhat static. I don't know if you've ever noticed on your microfibers there's a staticness to it. Supposedly it brings that back. So now we're going to take these along with some of these drying towels that I got. Another drying towel that I use. I want to see how these go. We're going to put them in the dryer. Obviously no fabric softener. We're going to put them on a medium temperature and we'll see how they come out. All right. Yeah, it definitely has that more sticky, staticky kind of feeling. So I'll give this product a thumbs up. Yeah, these feel nice and soft. You can even see like it's sticking statically to this pad, which is nice and soft. But yeah, there's definitely it's good product. Rags to riches. We're gonna try it next on a fairly soiled microfiber towel. Stay tuned. All right, so one thing that it does say on the back is that if there is heavy soiling, to soak it in a gallon of water for a period of time with a couple ounces of this material, and that will supposedly break up, you know, all the material that's on there. I didn't think those were heavily soiled, but I guess that might be considered heavily soiled. Anyways, you can soak these bad boys, so I may try that on another one because I've got a rag that's pretty, I think, heavily soiled with some brake dust and some other stuff on it. We'll try this and see how it goes. All right, so here we have a fairly heavily soiled microfiber rag. Here's one that's mostly soiled. They say to pre-soak it in 1 to 2 ounces with some water. So we're gonna do that now and see if that helps break some of this up. Has this handy dandy measuring cup here. And then pour this into this white tub. And then we will add some water. And then we'll soak it. All right, so we're soaking this in the water and the rags to riches, and we'll see. It's already, I mean, a lot of this is coming out. Now it's pretty well in there. So maybe we'll add a little more water in it. Yeah, it's coming out. All right, let's see how that does. Let's let that soak for a little while. All right, so I took the rags out. This is what the water looked like. I have since wrung out these rags. This one actually looks really clean. Still a hint of something on there, but I think it's clean enough that if you put this on your car, you wouldn't have to worry about it. This one, I'm gonna put this one through a wash and see if that all comes out. All right, so I'm back in the laundry room, and I just want to give you my opinion of the rags to riches. I've used it a couple times now. I think it does a very good job of cleaning the microfiber towels, the mitts, things of that nature. It won't get out. Probably, regular laundry detergent will do a better job of getting out that real deep grime. But this does an excellent job of restoring the fiber's ability to cling to and grab a hold of things almost like in a static fashion. Basically restoring it back to its original, out of the package. When you get a microfiber towel out of the package, it's got a real good deal. It really grabs things and it's real soft. This helps to restore it back to that. So if you want to preserve the life of your microfiber towels, this is a great product. I haven't used it too much yet, but I'm going to keep using it, and I'll give you another update in a while. But yeah, I think it does a good job.